Hey guys, welcome to my channel Knowledge Lab. Today in this video we are going to make this simple model by using the SolidWorks software. This is the model that we are going to make in this tutorial. You can see in your screen. So let's open a part first. Click on the new, click on the part and go for OK. So here you can see the default units is millimeter gram second. We are not going to change it. Now I will select here one plane. I'll choose top plane. So click on the top plane and go for the sketch. I'll choose here rectangle. I'll take here corner rectangle and I will make like this. Now select this line and this point, give the relation here midpoint, go with the OK. Now click on the dimensions and give the dimensions. So this rectangle is having the length 96, so give there 96 and having the width of 64. Now I will just take a line here, somewhere here, come like this, like this. Now I'll just do one thing. I need to go for the dimension there. So my first task is this and this. I'll be giving the relation horizontal, go with the OK. And now I need to go for the dimension first. I'll be going for the dimensions and I'll be giving the relation this and this line is having the distance is 16 mm, and you can see this is not getting fully defined. The only reason is I'll just give relation this and this, give the relation here vertical, go with this OK. So still it is not getting fully defined. Let's see what is the reason. Length we need to define. I mean this center distance between this center position to this edge. So the distance between that center and that edge is 20. So click on the dimension once again. So I'll just click on the dimensions. I'll be giving the distance between this 20. Now I will just click on the trim and I'll just trim this inner portions. Now you can see your sketch is getting fully defined and as well as closed. So come out from the sketch, go for the extruded boss base and extrude it up to 16 mm. So I'll be giving here the extruded height is 16 and just go for the OK. Right now I will choose this face and click on the sketch and make it normal to the plane. I'll just go for the line here, line command. I'll start it from here. I'll go like this. And from here to here I'll convert into an arc and make a close sketch. Now you have to do here one thing. Click on this and give the radius of 48. Here we need to give the overall height is 64. Now you can see here your sketch is getting fully defined. Come out from the sketch and go for the extruded boss base, and here you can see the direction. We need to make it reverse and having the extruded thickness 16 mm. So you don't need to do here anything, just go with this OK. Now I will choose this plane and go for this face and click on the sketch, go with this OK. Now I will make this font portions. So what I need to do, I'll just make it convert entities. This line and this line, go for the convert entities. We have here the features convert entities. Now I will just draw one. I'll start line from here which is like this, come down and make a close sketch. In the same way I will just do one thing. Here I will use this features also, like I'll just start the line from here itself, make it come out from the sketch, and I will use here selection contour feature. So that's the reason I'm making the sketch at a time only. Now I will trim this portion here and I'll give the dimension. So let me give the dimension first. So this height is having 28. This height is 28 and this radius is 12. This radius is 12 and this distance is 8. So I'll be giving here the value 8. Now I will just drag it little and here I'll be giving this length 8. Now you can see here our sketch is getting fully defined, so I will just trim these portions. I'll exit from the sketcher. I'll use here selection contour features. So go for this extruded boss base. Here I will choose the sketch and from here I will choose this as selection contour. Now we need to reverse the directions and we have to give the extruded height, which is 52. So give the extruded height 52. Go with this. OK. Now I need to go for this sketch once again and just make it visible, show the sketch. Again go for extruded boss base and choose the sketch from here. After that you need to choose here as this close area as selection contour and reverse the direction and extrude it up to 12 mm. Now you can make this sketch invisible. So guys, you can see here your model is getting ready. So guys, hope you have enjoyed these tutorials. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos on CAD software. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.